Books over bars, education instead of incarceration. All right, books over bars, education instead of mass incarceration. This is for Governor Westmore, Brooke Learman, President Biden, the Department of Justice. Activism ain't terrorism. All right, I'm walking in the shadow of Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, Medgar Evers, Marcus Garvey, Thurgood Marshall. I'm walking in the shadow of many men because many men taught me what to do. You feel me? We went from enslavement to mass incarceration. You feel me? We went from enslavement to mass incarceration. Talking about Dred Scott, 1857. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Like I said, I was making a movie, and it clearly states it. This is evidence and artwork for a movie, a documentary. And he got it. Got a Facebook page, a social media page, YouTube page with him. It's about parole and probation. That's Miss Diggs from Parole and Probation. Martin Luther King gave y'all letters from a Birmingham jail. Well, I gave y'all letters from Zion. I also gave you a Jailhouse Diary about your prison industry and mass incarceration. Right here. It's notarized. That makes it legal in any state. It's tattered and torn, but it still works. And just like the Westboro Baptist Church, I'm looking for the Supreme Court of freedom of speech, just like the Westboro Baptist Church. See the date? March 3rd, 2011. March 3rd, 1986, I turned in guns and drugs to the police. My freedom of speech. We're going to revisit Dred Scott. Like I said, making a documentary ain't against the law. That's Martin Luther King. See the date? And we're going to flip it over for you so we don't have no misunderstandings. See the date? February the 2nd, 2011 at 8:53 a.m. States Attorney's Office. I gave you this. Private citizen appearing before the grand jury. See the date? 2007. See the date? That's Brack v. versus Well. That's Frank Conway. See that? That's Frank Conway. See the date? That's Judge Bell, Court of Appeals. A private citizen got a right to access the grand jury. See who that is? That's Special Agent Richard McFeely, the FBI. All right? The date is 5/14/2011. It's handwritten. Makes it very legal. Dwayne G. Davis. See that? Attorney-client privilege. That's Sheriff Fisher. That's my house where y'all kidnapped me in 2011. That's Sheriff Fisher. See the date? 2010. August of 2010. That's Sheriff Fisher. And it clearly states everything that needs to be said. All right? You can't have two properties, two owners of one property. That's the United States Constitution. You do not need due process and equal protection under the law. Blacks, Hispanics. And I was just exposing your prison industry. See who that is? West Lombard Street, 2018. All right, that's me. And that's Judge Bennett. All right, Judge Bennett. See who got it? Governor Larry Hogan got it. Bobby Zirkin got it. All right, Valario got it. We talking about the money you making off the prison industry. The money you making off of black bodies. You know what I'm saying? The money you making off black bodies. So like I said, it's all documented. It's a documentary about being black in America. Right here, victims' right under Maryland Constitution, state law, right there, criminal case. It's an email, 2017. 2017. Right here. Shorty's underground ribs. I own me. I own all parts of me. And the state got to pay for that. You feel me? The state got to pay for that. You changed ownership without property. And Governor Hogan participated in that. Like I said, Shorty documentary. All about Baltimore. That's Governor Hogan. That's from the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. And these are the supporters of Shorties. We are imploring any and all appropriate officials in the state of Maryland to assist Shorty in his justice in Illinois. Like I said, Martin Luther King, that's the NAACP. That's my Storm Falls Road. That's Hope Drive. And we talk about the prison industry. United States Department of Justice. Bureau of Prisons. All right? The Bureau of Prisons. I say this is a learning moment. 2023. Chairman, Judiciary Committee. All right? For more information about Mr. Davis, it can be found on Facebook. All right? And X. That's Kwa'ise Mfume. You feel me? That's Kwa'ise Mfume from 2023. That's contact information. Dwayne G. Davis, 2023. See that? Theft of property, income tax evasion, and fraud. You got that? There you are. 2006 when I started this. 11150 Falls Road. Get Shorty. That's my property down there. I'm a caterer. I'm a cook. Since 1999, the best of the best. Richard Sher would tell you that. It's me on the House of Cards. All right? That's me on the House of Cards. I'm the cook. That's Paul Gessler. And like I said, I was making a documentary about Baltimore. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. In regards to your documentary, I would not be able to appear. All right? But he gave me Blagojevich's name and number. So Blagojevich got this, Governor Hogan got this, Governor O'Malley got this, Governor Westmore got this. In regards to your documentary. That's a movie release. That's James Hammond. Shorty documentary. That's Jake Davis. Shorty documentary. Feel me? And that's James Pride. Letters to Zion. A movie about Baltimore. See that? 2015. Miss Stephanie Rollins Blake. Commissioner Davis. That's BOPA. And that's the Creative Alliance. Ain't no law against making a movie. A movie about Baltimore. The money y'all make off of black bodies. You feel me? The money y'all make off black bodies. I use a toilet because the toilet don't give you black, white, straight, or gay. Toilet take your shit every day. From enslavement to mass incarceration. We clear on this now?